Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken cordon. First, you'll want to prepare your chicken breasts. Carefully slice each breast horizontally to create two thinner cutlets. Next, place each cutlet between two sheets of plastic wrap. Using a meat mallet, gently pound the chicken until it reaches an even thickness of about 1/4 inch. This ensures even cooking and a tender result. Now it's time for the delicious filling. On each pounded chicken cutlet, lay a slice of ham, followed by a slice of Swiss cheese. Be sure to leave a small border around the edges. Carefully roll the chicken tightly, tucking in the sides as you go to keep the filling secure. Use 1 or 2 toothpicks to hold each roll firmly in place. For that perfect crispy exterior, we'll bread our chicken. Set up 3 shallow dishes. One with flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with breadcrumbs. First, dredge each chicken roll in the flour, then dip it in the egg wash, and finally coat it thoroughly in the breadcrumbs. Place the breaded rolls on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Once your chicken cordon is beautifully golden and cooked, carefully remove it from the oven. Remember to take out all the toothpicks before serving to avoid any surprises. This classic dish pairs wonderfully with a light salad, roasted vegetables, or creamy mashed potatoes. It's a truly satisfying meal that's sure to impress. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.